Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to prevent installation of removable devices on Windows 11 or 10. So guys, to resolve this issue, click on Start, type here REGEDIT, right click on Registry Editor, run as Administrator. It will ask permissions, so click on Yes. Now here expand HK local machine, then software. Now here expand policies, then Microsoft. Now here expand Windows. Now here find out key, device installed. If you not see here, so right click on Windows, then new and key. Type here device installed. Now here right click on device installed, new and key. Type here restrictions. Now double click on restrictions. Now here right click anyway, new dword 32. Now type here deny removable. Devices. Now right click on it, modify, and make sure validity is 0 and base is selected in this one. Then click on OK. Now close this registry editor. Now firstly guys, click on a file and export. Now firstly guys, click on a file and export your registry editor. Select all and save it. So once you need, you can import your registry editor. Now let's start. Now close it and restart your system. So this way guys, you can prevent installation of removable devices on Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.